In this video, we're going to talk about how to use the extrude command to make a 3D object. So whenever you're creating a 3D object, you want to start with a 2D object. So let me just draw something funky here. I'll draw a square, just some size, and then a circle here, and trim it up. Now, if we want to extrude this, we're going to have an issue because we are dealing with two separate objects. So if I select, the rectangle, again, so I'm typing in, sorry, I skipped by that. I typed in extrude, and I hit enter, and then I selected the rectangle, and then the circle, and I hit enter again, and then I'll give it, I'll rotate a little bit, and I'll give it some height. And I'll run into this issue where what I extruded is going to be hollow. And it'll always do this when you're dealing with separate objects because it needs to be one object, one polygon for it to extrude. So this thing that I created, this monstrosity, is no good. I need to make this one. And one way to do that is to use the join command, which I talked about in the previous video. So I'll select these two, and I'll hit enter. So now I've used join to make this one object. I'll type in extrude. And now if I select the object, hit enter, I can rotate this a little bit. I can type in a value, or I can just click the height I want, and I get a 3D model. I can make it even bigger if I want. Whatever size I want is the point. Let me get a little bigger because I think it'll look cooler. Oops, I went back too far. So join both of these to be one, then extrude, now that they are one, hit enter, rotate my screen a little bit so I can see how high up I'm extruding, and click. Okay, that's how you use the extrude command.